Hello and welcome to Pre-Algebra practice set number 7. And in this video, we're going to look at some additional practice problems for the lesson that we did on vertical addition. So the instructions for today, we want to just perform each addition. So we're going to begin with 62 plus 55. So remember, we're going to stack these numbers on top of each other, and we got to make sure we line them up by place value. So we'll have 62 plus 55. And again, remember, it's got to be by place value. So this is all the numbers that are in the ones place are going to go here. And then all the numbers in the tens place are going to go here. They got to be lined up. So now we perform our addition. And we start in the rightmost column or the ones column, and we work to the left. So we start with 2 plus 5. That's 7, so we're going to put that in the ones column for the answer. We just go straight down. We're moving to the left now. So we're going to the next column left. That's the tens column. And we're going to do 6 plus 5. That's 11. So we just write a 1 in the tens column, and we would usually carry a 1 into the next column up here, but there's no more numbers, so we just write it here. So we get an answer of 117 for 62 plus 55. Okay, next we have 5,092 plus 7,001. So 5,092 plus 7,001. Okay, so again, we're going to start with the numbers in the ones column. We're just going to go straight down. So 2 plus 1 is 3. We put that result in the ones column for the answer. Again, just going straight down. Now we're moving to the left. So now we're going to do 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. Moving to the left again, 0 plus 0 is 0. Moving to the left again, 5 plus 7 is 12. We can go ahead and write a 12 here because there's no more numbers to the left. So we're just putting a 2 in the thousands place, and a 1 is going into the 10,000s place. So our answer here is 12,093. Okay, now we have 343,221 plus 6,341,592. Typically, when we have numbers that have a different number or a different amount of digits in them, we take the number that has the most digits and we put that on top. You don't have to do that. You can do it either way. But this is generally how we're going to do that. We're going to put 6,341,592 on top, and we're going to put 343,221 on the bottom. And again, make sure you line them up by place value, and you just work right to left. So we're going to start in the ones column. 2 plus 1 is 3. And we're going to the tens column. 9 plus 2 is 11. Now remember, 11 is too big to fit in this space here. Okay? So what we do is we put a 1 down. We put a 1 down, and we carry a 1. Okay? We carry a 1. Essentially, when you have 11, you take the rightmost digit, and you put in the answer column, and then you carry the leftmost digit into the next column, and that's what we've done. Okay, so now we're going to continue our addition. So now we have 1 plus 5, that's 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then we go 1 plus 3, that's 4. Then we have 4 plus 4, that's 8. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. And then this 6 we can just bring down. So we end up with 6,684,813 as our answer. Okay, for the next problem, we have 99,672 plus 3,357 plus 115,799. And essentially, this is a little bit new for us because we haven't done one with 3 add-ins in it, or 3 numbers that are being added. But it's the same. I'm just going to start by putting the numbers on top of each other. I'm going to stack them up. And I'm going to take the number with the most amount of digits, which is 115,799, and I'm going to put that on top. Then I'm going to go to the number with the second most amount of digits in it, which is 99,672. Put that in the middle. And then I'm going to take 3,357, and I'm going to put that guy on the bottom. Okay, so let's do some addition here. So I'm going to start in the right column, which is the ones column, and I'm going to add. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. So I'm going to put an 8 here, which is the rightmost digit of 18, and I'm going to carry a 1. I'm going to carry a 1. Okay, now we're going to do 1 plus 9, that's 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. So I'm going to put a 2 into the answer column, the rightmost digit, and I'm going to carry a 2 into the next column. So now we have 2 plus 7, that's 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. Okay, so I'm going to put an 8 down into the answer column, and I'm going to carry a 1. So now we move it to the next column. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 3 is again 18. So I'm putting an 8 down in the answer column, and I'm carrying a 1 over into the next column. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. So again, putting a 1 down and carrying a 1. Okay, carrying a 1. And now I just have 1 plus 1, and that's 2. So I can bring that down here. I end up with 218,828 as the answer.